You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the name of this, I believe it's a new model of artificial intelligence. You already knew, you've seen videos on my channel on how to pronounce the other models called Claude. It's from French, Claude, French, not cloudy, no, Claude. Claude Mythos is how it's pronounced in English, so it's Greek, I believe, so not mythos or mythos, mythos, how to pronounce Claude Mythos, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.